Hey there guys, and welcome back to my channel CTP Education and Exams. Today I'm going to be reviewing Prithvi IAS Academy. This academy is located in Pune, and to review this academy I'm going to be visiting a website called blog.ieducation. That is because blog.ieducation is a very trusted website. They've been around for 11 years. They are one of the oldest websites to give honest and unbiased reviews about any IAS coaching center in India. Not only that, they give you consolidated reviews from Facebook, Google, Just Style, and Sulekha, so that you don't have to go and visit all of those different websites to find the right institute that caters to your needs. Blog.ieducation does that for you. On this page you can also find reviews, honest and unbiased reviews that are given by students themselves. Our education has given Prithvi IAS Academy an overall rating of 5.7 out of 10. They have also given this academy ratings on different parameters like their past year results, infrastructure, their batch size, their faculty quality, and their fees. Now, Prithvi IAS Academy has got a very average rating by our education. Some of the pros of this institute are that they have good infrastructure, they have experienced faculty members, which is very important in any coaching institute, and they have a very affordable fee structure for the students. If you join this institute, you can be prepared to pay around 40,000 a year. This is very affordable compared to other institutes. Many top institutes charge 1.5 or even 2 lakhs. So compared to that, this is very affordable. You will have to pay extra for optional subjects. Some of the cons of this institute are that they have a very large batch size. And if you're someone who's a slow learner or you want personalized attention from your faculty, then this is not the institute for you. According to student reviews, a student who studied in this institute is saying that this institute has a very sophisticated environment. They have a very supportive staff and a well-structured building, and also the environment is very student friendly, and they also provide you with practice series that are there online. So they have started this amazing initiative of like online practice test series. So this is a very good review overall. Another student from this institute is saying that it is a fraud academy and they do not conduct full lectures. Also, they do not teach the full syllabus. Teachers are also not proper in this institute. Everything is a mess. They cheat the students for money and everything is a fraud here. Very poor, time waste, and it is so yeah, this is a very bad review. It's quite alarming. So this institute is located in Sadashipet in Pune, and it is one of the most popular institutes in that region. More than 1,000 students of Prithvi Academy are now successful in IAS, IPS, IFS, and RFS exams. Some of the key facilities that they provide are interactive classroom coaching, test series, both online and offline test series. Then they provide students with current affairs magazine and also with subject books. They also provide you with 1 to 2 demo classes. These are their contact details. This is their address, their contact number. And this is their fee structure, their website. They have 100 students in one batch. This is not very high compared, because some institutes have a batch size of even 200 to 300 students in a batch, but compared to that it is not very high. But there are many other institutes that have just 30 or 40 students in a batch. So if you're someone who wants more attention from your faculty members, then this is not the institute for you. I hope this review was helpful to you all. If it was, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel. Share this video with all your friends who are IAS aspirants. Thank you so much for watching.